Okay, boys and girls, we're at the final chapter, chapter 10 of Stone Fox. Little Willie is in the middle of the race. He is in the lead, but barely. So let's see what happens. Stone Fox, chapter 10, the finish line. The crowd cheered madly when they saw Little Willie come into view at the far end of Main Street, and even more madly when they saw that Stone Fox was right on his tail. "Go, Searchlight, go!" Searchlight forged ahead, but Stone Fox was gaining. "Go, Searchlight, go!" Little Willie cried out. Searchlight gave it everything she had. She was 100 feet from the finish line when her heart burst. She died instantly. There was no suffering. The sled and Little Willie tumbled over her, slid along the snow for a while, then came to a stop about 10 feet from the finish line. It had started to snow. White snowflakes landed on Searchlight's dark fur as she lay motionless on the ground. The crowd became deathly silent. Lester's eyes looked to the ground. Stone Fox knelt down and put one massive hand on Searchlight's chest. He felt no heartbeat. He looked at Little Willie, and the boy understood. Little Willie squeezed Searchlight with all his might. "You did real good, girl, real good. I'm real proud of you. You rest now, just rest." Little Willie began to brush the snow off Searchlight's back. Stone Fox stood up slowly. No one spoke, no one moved. All eyes were on the Indian, the one called Stone Fox, the one who had never lost a race, and who now had another victory within his grasp. But Stone Fox did nothing. He just stood there like a mountain. His eyes shifted to his own dogs, then to the finish line, then back to Little Willie, holding Searchlight. With the heel of his moccasin, Stone Fox drew a line in the snow. Then he walked back over to his sled and pulled out his rifle. Down at the end of Main Street, the other racers began to appear. As they approached, Stone Fox fired his rifle into the air. They came to a stop. Stone Fox spoke. "Anyone crosses this line, I shoot." And there wasn't anybody who didn't believe him. Stone Fox nodded to the boy. The town looked on in silence as Little Willie, carrying Searchlight, walked the last 10 feet and across the finish line.